Welcome back to Motorize. Things are different today as we have a closer in-depth look at the new 2026 Kia EV4. The new venture Kia is about to foray into the small-scale electric SUV. We have all the details, we offer you all the future design and performance of the car, not to mention the interior, the price and the date. Let's jump in. Before starting the video, subscribe to the channel because your one subscribe helps us to grow. Let's start the video. The Kia EV4 of 2026 will use the same platform eGMP as EV6 and EV9, which Kia hopes will become the base of its electric vehicle. The choices of the powertrain will probably be the single motor rear wheel drive and with approximately 215 horsepower and the dual motor all wheel drive with about 320 horsepower. The battery size will be between 58 kWh to 77 kWh with a range of 250 to 320 miles of range on a full charge, depending on the trim. The EV4 can be charged with DC fast chargers including 800 volt fast, whose system enables the EV to charge between 10% to 80% within less than 25 minutes. The design of the EV4 has a strong influence of the philosophy of Kia, that is the opposites united. On the front you will see a thin LED light bar extending over the nose which makes it futuristic. Coupe-like roofline, squared off arches of the wheel and sharp creases of the body make EV4 look among the compact SUVs. The tail lights appear in the form of a boomerang and the rear profile is clean which completes the modern appearance at the back. Wheel sizes will be 18 to 20 inches depending on the trim. The 2026 Kia EV4 is like a lounge with technology-oriented features inside. You will have two 12.3-inch screens, one digital cluster screen and one infotainment and both smoothly integrated into a curved panel. The inside is made of environmentally friendly materials such as recycled fabrics and vegan leather. The EV specialized platform also guarantees Kia ingenious storage options, a flat floor, and allows a lot of space in the rear seat. Among them there are augmented reality navigation, advanced driver assistant, heated and ventilated seats, a high quality premium Meridian audio system and updates over the air. And of course, it is equipped with the complete ADAS package of Kia, such as highway driving assist, adaptive cruise control and remote smart parking. The base model of the Kia EV4 will likely cost approximately $37,000 and the dual motor versions of AWD will reach a higher price of $48,000. It is planned to release it in late 2025 in a few markets and on an international scale in early 2026. Thus, that is the Kia EV4 2026, a small EV SUV in the shape of a sci-fi car with powerful performance and a lot of technology. Do you believe it can compete with other competitors such as the Hyundai Kona Electric, Tesla Model Y and Toyota BZ4X? Share your comments with us. And in case you liked this video, you might not ignore to like it and the bell on another video review and comparison here on Motorize. Thanks to the viewing and I will see you next time.